According to vidIQ, this YouTube channel is pulling in nearly $14,000 a month, and it is absolutely exploding. The channel is called Nick Invests, and get this, it launched just 4 months ago. Yet in that short time, it has already generated more than 7 million views, and is closing in on 100,000 subscribers. And it gets even crazier. If you look across the entire channel, every single video brings in hundreds of thousands of views. Their top performing video is already sitting at around 700,000 views. For a channel that's only 4 months old, that is unbelievable growth. So naturally, you're probably wondering, what are they doing to get results like this? And the answer might surprise you. They're creating short, ultra-focused financial education videos, bite-sized lessons that explain one clear money concept at a time: saving habits, investing basics, money psychology, simple wealth-building frameworks. Each video uses clean visuals, minimalist animations, and a crisp narration style that makes complicated ideas feel simple and easy to use. Now, you might think there's some advanced editing trick behind all this growth. But the truth is much simpler. Their most viral videos rely on straightforward visuals, clean on-screen text, and a direct conversational voiceover. That's it. It's easy to copy, but only if you follow the process the right way. Miss even one step, and your results will look completely different. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you need to create videos just like Nick Invests, using free tools and simple workflows. Follow the process, and you can replicate this style in your own niche, efficiently, ethically, and without expensive software. But before we jump in, here's a quick preview of what we're about to build.
There's a very specific moment that almost nobody talks about. It's the moment when you're sitting at your desk, maybe at work, maybe at home, your job is actually going fine, but your brain is fried. Not because your boss is yelling at you, not because your workload exploded, but because you just spent 45 minutes trying to figure out which account to move money from. Whether you can afford that trip, if you should invest more, save more, or just leave everything alone. And you realize something uncomfortable. Your job, the thing you get paid to do, is actually simpler than managing your money.
Let's jump straight into a channel breakdown. The channel name is Nick Invests, and this guy is a beast. He's been posting for about 4 months now, starting roughly 60 days ago, and he uploads every single day. His videos are over 20 minutes long, which is perfect. Not only is he in one of the highest RPM niches, but because the videos are so long, he can pack in more ads and maximize his revenue. In a second, I'm going to show you exactly how to create those kinds of animations for free using AI. Don't be intimidated thinking it looks hard. This guy wouldn't be able to post every single day if these videos weren't streamlined to create. Step number 1, as always, prompt instructions. You're going to open up this Notion template, which I've linked in the description for free. Open the very first prompt and copy it with one click. Head over to ChatGPT and paste that prompt to generate YouTube channel name ideas. For example, his channel is Nick Invests, so I might call mine Sam Invests. But you can choose whatever fits you, a random name or even your own. Step number 2 is the more important part, creating your character. Open up Google Gemini, it's completely free. Click on Create an Image, then head back to the template, copy the character prompt, and paste it in. You just need to change the variables in the placeholders. Describe your character, but make sure you also download the reference image, the profile picture, from the template, so Gemini creates something in a similar style. For mine, I described a young guy with yellow hair in a blue suit, and I got this amazing result. Step number 3. We need unique video ideas. Instead of just stealing titles and making carbon copies, which doesn't work well, we're going to use a specific strategy. Grab the idea prompt from the template and download the screenshot of the target YouTube channel provided there. Upload that screenshot to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and let the AI analyze the channel. It will give you 20 unique video ideas. Pick the one you like best, and let's move on. Step number 4 is writing long, unique YouTube scripts. Go back to the template, copy the script prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Insert your chosen video title into the placeholder. For example, I'll take this idea here, paste it in, and hit submit. The AI writes the entire script for me, and the best part is that the length is almost identical to the original channel's videos. If the script feels a bit short, just ask ChatGPT to expand this section by another 500 words until you hit that 20-minute mark.
Step 5.
Generating the voiceover. Now that our script is ready, the next step is creating the voiceover. If you want to do this for free, you can simply record yourself reading the script or use a free tool like Google AI Studio. However, for this niche, I personally use 11 Labs because the voices sound extremely natural and professional. Once you're inside 11 Labs, go to Text to Speech and select a voice. I usually use this specific one, but I highly recommend testing different voices to find what best fits your brand. Now, copy your script from ChatGPT, paste it into 11 Labs, and click Generate. In less than a minute, your professional AI voiceover will be ready, and you can download it with just one click. Step 6. Creating the visual prompts. Now that the voiceover is done, it's time to create the visuals. Go back to the template and copy the video image prompt. Then paste it into ChatGPT. Next, scroll down and insert your full script into the placeholder. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will automatically generate image prompts and video prompts for each line of your script, describing exactly what should appear visually. These prompts will be used to generate images first, and then turn those images into videos. Step 7. Generate the images and turn them into videos. Now let's generate the images. Go to the Whisk AI website. The link is in the description. Once you open it, click Enter Tool and you'll see the main dashboard. First, go to Reference Image and upload the character image we created earlier. After uploading the image, go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt, and paste it here. Choose your image ratio, then click Generate. Within a few minutes, Whisk AI will produce an amazing result. If you're happy with it, simply click Download. Now that we have the image, let's turn it into a video. Go to the Grok website and sign in or create an account. Once you're inside, go to the sidebar and click Imagine. Here, upload the image you just generated, paste the video prompt, and click Generate. In less than a minute, Grok will create a smooth, high-quality video ready to use. Download it, then repeat the same process for the rest of your image. Step 8. Editing the video. Now we're at the final step, editing. For this part, you can use any video editing software you like. However, for this tutorial, I'm using CapCut because it's simple, powerful, and beginner-friendly. First, open CapCut and upload all your materials, both the video clips and the audio files. Next, add the voiceover to the timeline. Once it's placed, go through the audio and remove any unnecessary pauses by cutting and adjusting the clips. This will help create a smooth and clean flow. After the voiceover is ready, start adding the video clips step by step onto the timeline. Make sure each video matches the voiceover timing. If a clip is too long, trim it so it aligns perfectly with the narration. Now let's enhance the visuals. Go to Adjustments at the top, add a custom adjustment layer, and place it on the timeline. From here, test different settings and fine-tune the look of your video. You can adjust things like saturation, temperature, contrast, and more until the visuals look clean and professional. Once that's done, let's add captions. Go to Text, click Auto Captions, and generate them. Within a minute, CapCut will automatically create captions for your video, similar to the style used by channels like Nick Invest. Now customize the captions. Go to Templates, preview the available styles, and choose the one that best fits your video's style. For this video, I'm using this specific template to achieve that clean, Nick-style look. Finally, export the video. Choose your preferred video quality and click Export. That's it. You've just created a clean, Nick-style video in minutes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and comment Nick, and I'll send you the tools I used. I'll see you in the next video.